Attention interior designers and construction companies. So you heard this YouTube video topic 100% right. Why only getting leads is not enough for the success and the growth of your business. And you heard that 100% correct. If you are still generating leads or buying leads online or using Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads to get more inquiries for interior design business and still struggling to scale your business through that, then in today's video, I'm going to show you what are the key elements you are missing and why only generating leads won't help you to scale and grow your interior design business. So let's get started. My name is Arihant Dugar. I'm the founder and CEO of GetMoreProjects.com. We work with interior designers and construction companies, help them to start, scale their online marketing, and help them to grow their business and help them to get more projects. Let's get started. So now I will going to give you a proper reasoning. What else do you need and why only generating leads won't help you to scale your business. So let's say take a hypothetical example. As let's assume you got 100 leads this month. Got 100 leads this month. Now, let's say you able to close one lead converted, but you still have 99 leads in the pipeline. You have how much? 99 leads in your pipeline. And that's where you are going wrong. And that's where you are not able to squeeze the lemon to its full potential. You need to learn how you can squeeze the lemon to its full potential. And if you are getting only 1% conversion from the 100 leads, you need to fix a system, you need to fix a process, you need to do a lot of things. So this is how the things work. Let's say you got 100 leads this month, you converted one into a project, but you still have 99 leads in the pipeline. So now you have to do something with them so that you can convert. And that's where people don't know what they do. Mostly what they do, they just try to follow up with them via calls. They just call them, follow up them again and again. And someone, I can guarantee you, from 99, 80, 60 people are not picking your call. Am I right or wrong? Am I right? I know that. So that's why you are not able to scale your business, not able to squeeze the lemon to its full potential. Take care of all these leads to its full potential. So what you can do now instead of that? That's the most important. So now you have 99 leads still in your pipeline. And now you have to do something with them so that you can close at least more 2 to 5 projects from them. And these are the genuine leads, those who are looking for some work. And now you want to close at least 2 to 5 people from still you have 99 leads remain. So let me get big. Yeah. So now what are the strategies you can use and implement properly so that you close all these leads? The first thing is you are already doing, which is following up with them manually, which is good, but this is not scalable. That's good. You have 99 leads, if you have 50 leads, if you have 40 leads, you can still do manual follow-ups. But think if you have 1,000 leads in your pipeline, 1,000 freaking leads in your pipeline, then what you want to do? You need an automated process instead of manual process. That's where the automation comes. And you might be getting some sound of birds. Actually, they made a nest in my room. So, and I'm not liking it to remove that. That's why you're gonna get some sound of them. So sorry for that. So that's how what you need is the automation. So what type of automation? There are many automation in the market. So that's what I'm going to tell you right now. Let me remove all this. So first automation thing you need is automated SMS and email follow-ups. So that's what you need to write a content for that, what type of emails you wanna send, what type of SMS you wanna send. It's the most important part, your copywriting. And that's where I see many people don't invest good money in hiring a good copywriter or paying them a good money so that they can write you good SMS copies and emails for me. Because many people, those who are not picking up the call, but they will definitely going to read your SMS and email if it's written properly. So, and you also have one brand presence in their mind. So how the automation process start? Whenever someone fills a form, you should send them instant email. Hey, thank you so much for sending it. Something like that. So that's how you need to set up automation, so that in 7 days, every week, have a 7 days, at least they should be getting 3 SMS or email. 3 SMS or email. If they're not getting 3 SMS or email, you are losing a lot of money on the table. And that's what you need to set up the automation process. And that's how you can ask them many questions to see what are the requirements, and always have a brand presence in their mind that you exist in this business. And that's how the proper process and the things work when you have each and everything properly planned. So this is what you definitely need: automated email and SMS follow-ups. Second thing you always need is retargeting ads. Create a custom audience of those people who already filled your lead form or already become your lead, and create a custom audience of that on Facebook Ad Manager and show your ads 30 times every single day to those people. That may be any sort of offer you might be running, any sort of testimonial you might be have. Just so they should see your ads every single day on their Facebook feed. Whenever they are opening their mobile phone, they should see your ad. That might be 10 times, 20 times, 12 times. And these is the most secret and the real strategies that many people don't. Because maybe they can also block you from SMS and email also. Please don't send us an email or SMS, but they are going to use Instagram and Facebook. And whenever they are opening their apps, you are the one always on the top of your feed. So that's how the things work. So I hope you find this video valuable. And the last and the final call, as many of you all know, that we have a proper training program for interior designers where we teach you how you can implement all these things thoroughly, so you don't lose any clients, any customers, whatever you have in your pipeline, and generate high quality leads every single day for your business. So for more details, you can click the link below to know more about our program. You're gonna get to know each and everything. So that is it for this video, and I hope you find this video valuable, and I will see you in another one. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.